In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set up an external domain on IONOS and GoDaddy, a seamless process that will only require a few simple steps. Our journey begins on IONOS. Your first task is to log into your IONOS account. Once logged in, you will need to navigate to the section labeled Domains and SSL. Here you will find an option which says Set up External Domain. Give it a click. In the provided text box, enter your domain name. Afterward, ensure that the IONOS name server option is selected. Following this step, click on Use Domain. You will now be provided with name server addresses. Examples might look something like ns1n45 dns.org and ns1045 ydns.de. Ensure that these are copied, as you will need them later. Next, you will need to switch gears and log into your GoDaddy account, because there is work to be done there as well. Upon logging in, proceed by going to the Domains section. Here, select the domain that you would like to connect. Once accomplished, look for the Manage DNS option, and next to Name Servers, click Change. Upon clicking Change, select the option that says Custom and enter the IONOS name servers that you had previously copied. This is a crucial step as it forms the basis of the connection between your GoDaddy and IONOS accounts. After these IONOS name servers have been entered, save the changes. Now, it's high time to navigate to your domain provider's account. Once in, find the DNS settings for the domain. Keep an eye out for the A record for the root domain, often represented by the @ symbol, and the CNAME record for www. Once you find this, bear in mind that the GoDaddy site will provide specific values to enter here. Usually, the A record's value is something like 13.248.243.5, and the CNAME's value is your GoDaddy site's name. An example might look something like yourdomain.com. With this information handy, head back to GoDaddy and log into your account. Go under Domains once again and click on the specific domain you are connecting. Here, go to Manage DNS. Now you have the opportunity to update the A record and CNAME record with the values provided by GoDaddy. Do not miss this step, as it forms a crucial part of the connection process. And finally, save the changes. With these steps, you should have successfully set up an external domain on IONOS and GoDaddy. The process might seem tedious, but with careful attention to the details, you will navigate it without a single hitch. Happy setting up!